Hey everyone! Today, I'm reviewing the top 5 best electric knife sharpener options you can buy right now. I've compared 5 solid picks to help you find the right one for faster sharpening, safer cutting, and keeping your knives in top shape without wasting money. Let's get into it. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Presto 08800 Eversharp Electric Knife Sharpener, 2-stage system. The Presto 08800 Eversharp is best known in the US market for being one of the most popular budget-friendly electric knife sharpeners for everyday home kitchens. This is the type of sharpener many American buyers choose when they're tired of struggling with dull kitchen knives but don't want to learn whetstones or spend premium money. In real-world US homes, this sharpener is commonly used for chef knives, paring knives, utility knives, and general household blades that have slowly lost their edge over time. A lot of American families don't sharpen knives regularly, so they often reach the point where slicing tomatoes, trimming meat, or chopping onions becomes frustrating. That's where a machine like this becomes useful. One of the biggest strengths is simplicity. The 2-stage system is designed to first grind and then hone the edge, making the sharpening process easy for beginners. Presto also uses guided slots to help maintain angle consistency, which is important for people with no sharpening experience. Presto markets it for most kitchen and sporting knives. Another major advantage is speed and convenience. Instead of spending time learning manual sharpening techniques, US users can refresh a dull edge in just a few minutes. For busy households, that convenience matters more than perfection. Number 2. Chef's Choice 1515 Edge Select Professional Electric Knife Sharpener with 100% diamond abrasives and precision angle guides for straight edge and serrated knives, 3-stage. The Chef's Choice 1515 Edge Select is best known in the US market for being one of the most respected premium electric knife sharpeners for serious home cooks and knife owners. This model has built a strong reputation because it goes beyond basic sharpening and aims for a more professional quality edge. In real-world US kitchens, this sharpener is popular with cooking enthusiasts, people who own better knives, and households that cook frequently. If someone prepares meals several nights a week, sharp knives become a major quality-of-life upgrade. Cleaner cuts, safer slicing, and easier prep all matter. One of the biggest strengths is the 3-stage sharpening system. It uses multiple stages for sharpening, refining, and polishing the edge. This usually creates a cleaner and more controlled result than simpler 2-stage budget machines. Another standout feature is the 15-degree edge conversion. This appeals to many American buyers because Western knives often come with thicker factory edges, and this model can create a sharper, finer cutting angle closer to high-performance Japanese-style knives. Food and Wine highlighted the Chef's Choice 1515 as a top electric sharpener in testing. The diamond abrasives are another plus. They're designed for efficient sharpening and longer-lasting performance. It also works with straight edge and many serrated knives, which is practical for US homes where bread knives and utility serrated blades are common. Now, the downsides. This is more expensive and larger than entry-level sharpeners. It also removes material during sharpening, so repeated unnecessary use isn't ideal. Another consideration is that some casual users may not need this level of machine if they only sharpen inexpensive knives once in a while. Number 3. 4-in-1 Kitchen Knife Accessories, 3-stage knife sharpener helps repair, restore, polish blades and cut-resistant glove. This 4-in-1 kitchen knife sharpener is best known in the US market for being a budget-friendly manual sharpener kit for everyday households. It appeals to American buyers who want a simple way to refresh dull kitchen knives without learning whetstones or buying an electric machine. In real-world US kitchens, this type of sharpener is commonly used for chef knives, paring knives, utility knives, and older household blades that have lost their edge. Many families only notice knife sharpness when slicing tomatoes becomes messy or cutting chicken starts feeling unsafe. That's where a manual sharpener like this becomes practical. One of the biggest strengths is the 3-stage sharpening system. Products in this category usually include a coarse slot for damaged edges, a medium slot for sharpening, and a fine slot for polishing. That step-by-step approach is beginner-friendly and much easier than freehand sharpening. Another major plus is the included cut-resistant glove. For many first-time sharpeners in the US, safety is a real concern. Including a glove adds confidence and makes the product feel more complete. The manual design is also convenient because there's no electricity required. You can store it in a drawer, use it quickly before meal prep, and avoid another appliance taking up counter space. Now, the downsides. Manual pull-through sharpeners can remove metal unevenly if used aggressively, and they generally won't create the same refined edge as a whetstone or premium electric sharpener. Experts often note that pull-through sharpeners prioritize convenience over blade longevity. Number 4. Narcissus Knife Sharpener, professional 2-stage electric knife sharpener for quick sharpening and polishing, with scissors sharpener and metal dust collection box, stainless steel. The Narcissus electric knife sharpener is best known in the US market for being a modern budget electric sharpener that adds convenience extras like scissors sharpening and dust collection. It targets buyers who want the speed of electric sharpening without paying premium brand pricing. In real-world US homes, this machine fits busy kitchens where people want fast results before dinner prep. Instead of struggling with dull knives during meal prep, users can restore an edge in minutes. One of the biggest strengths is electric ease of use. Guided slots help users maintain angle consistency, which is ideal for beginners. For many American buyers, convenience matters more than mastering manual sharpening techniques. Another strong feature is the metal dust collection box. That's useful because sharpening creates filings, and easier cleanup makes the tool more practical for regular use. The added scissors sharpener can also be valuable in US homes where kitchen shears, craft scissors, and utility scissors get used often. Now, the downsides. Lesser-known electric sharpeners can vary in motor quality, durability, and long-term consistency. Like many electric systems, they may remove more steel than necessary if overused. It's also less ideal for premium knives or blades requiring specialized angles. Who should buy this in the US? Home cooks wanting quick electric sharpening, families with average kitchen knives, and buyers wanting extra utility. Who should skip it? Serious knife collectors or anyone seeking the highest-end sharpening results. Number 5. WorkSharp 2 Malawian Kwacha's professional electric knife and tool sharpener, adjustable tool and knife sharpening system. The WorkSharp 2 Malawian Kwachas is best known in the US market for being a more advanced sharpening system that goes beyond kitchen knives and into tools, outdoor blades, and workshop use. This is a very different category from basic kitchen sharpeners. It's built for buyers who want versatility and stronger sharpening capability. In real-world US use, this machine is popular with homeowners, DIY users, hunters, outdoorsmen, garage workshop users, and people maintaining multiple blade types. It can be used for kitchen knives, pocket knives, lawn tools, axes, and utility blades depending on setup. One of the biggest strengths is belt-driven sharpening. Unlike slot sharpeners, belt systems can be faster and more versatile across blade shapes. Reviewers often note WorkSharp systems are effective and user-friendly compared with manual methods. Another major advantage is multi-purpose value. Many American households would rather buy one machine that sharpens kitchen knives plus garage and yard tools than separate devices for each. The 2 Malawian Kwachas is also appealing for users who like control and repeatability more than cheap pull-through sharpeners offer. Now, the downsides. This is more aggressive and more powerful, which means beginners can damage edges if careless. Community users often mention practicing first and being careful with prized knives. That's my roundup of the top 5 best electric knife sharpener options. Each one has its own strengths depending on your knives, budget, and how often you cook. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review.